Hello, good morning. So, ngayon yung panglimang araw ng pagsagot ng inyong module. So, bago ko talakayin ang ating aralin sa linggong to, panglimang araw, nais ko munang magpasalamat sa mga nag-subscribe sa aking channel sa madali. Sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, pwede naman ninyong isubscribe para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong bagong ini-upload na video. Okay, so ngayon punta natin yung ating objective. Una dyan yung ating MELCS. Ibig sabihin ng MELCS pala, ito yung most essential learning competency skills. Yan. MELCS. So, ang objective natin yan, solve problems involving set with the use of Venn diagram. Ito yung mga objective natin, specific objective. So, yan yung identify the elements, subset of a sets, show the relationship between sets and subset using the Venn diagram, and draw Venn diagram of the given set. Do nakapag-draw na tayo ng Venn diagram sa mga unang lesson, ito, tatalakayin natin dito yung tungkol sa problem solving involving a set. May mga nabitin tayong discussion dun sa mga unang video, especially dun sa what I can do portion kasi yun ay pag-aaralan natin dito sa part na to ng ating aralin. So, proceed na tayo dito sa pretest. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo dito, sasagutan nyo to sa papel. Yan. You don't need to copy the problem. All you have to do is to choose the letter of the correct answer from these choices given for each item. Ilalagay yan sa sa papel, hindi sa notebook kasi ipapasa. Okay, so baka malabo sa inyo yung illustration dito sa number 5. Ito yung ating illustration. Ito yung set P, then we have set Q. Yan, ito yung mga element na nasa loob ng intersection or yung intersection ng dalawa, yung 3 at saka yung 4. Then set P, element of set P that is not in set Q. Ito naman yung element ni set Q na wala sa set P. Yung 5, 6, and 2. Okay, so next. Let us have this definition of Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram uses overlapping circle or other shapes to illustrate the logical relationship between two or more set. Actually, mababasa yan dito sa ibabang bahagi ng ating video presentation. Yan. So, isa-isahin kong i-illustrate sa inyo tong tatlong to. If a set A is a subset of set B, then the circle representing set A is drawn inside the circle representing set B. So, i-illustrate ko sa inyo yan mamaya gamit yung Venn diagram. Then the second one, if set A and set B have some element in common, then to represent them, we are going to draw two circles which are overlapping. So, ibig sabihin, may overlapping region yung dalawang set. Yung set A at saka yung set B. Then, lastly, we have, if set A and set B are disjoint, then they are represented by two non-intersecting circles. So, unahin muna natin i-represent tong una. Yan. If set A is a subset of set B. So, I'm going to make use a rectangle. So, gamit tayo ng rectangle para ma-represent yung ating universal set. So, yun yung nagre-represent ng universal set. Then, we have the two set. Say, we have set B. Ayan, yung ating circle. Nire-represent nito yung ating set B. Then, we have set A. Yung set A nasa loob ng set B. Okay, so name na natin yung ating set. Ito yung ating set B. Then we have this as set A. Yan, yan yung magre-represent ng set A. Then we have the universal set. Ito yung rectangle mismo. Yan. Okay, universal set, it represent using this rectangle. Then we have this set B and set A. Yung set A natin dito, Re-represent yan. Yung set A, nasa loob ng set B or yung circle na nire-represent ng set B. Ibig sabihin yan, set A is a subset of set B, sorry. Yan. Lalagay ko lang dito sa baba. So, set A is a subset of set B kasi lahat ng element nitong set A ay makikita sa set B. Okay, next. Ito naman tayo. If set A is a set, sorry, if set A and set B have some element in common, meron silang element na common, then to represent that one, we're going to use another rectangle. Ito yung sa pangalawa. Yan. So, let us have set A. This time, yung set A, wala na sa loob ni set B. Pero since meron silang common element, ito yung ating magiging intersection. Na-discuss ko na to sa intersection of set. Yung mga element dito, yun yung common element ni set A and set B. Ito yung ating set A at ito naman yung ating set B. So, yan. Ito pa rin yung ating universal set, yung rectangle. Yan. So, kung mapapansin niyo meron tayong overlapping region dito. Yan. Ito yung region na nag-overlap. Yan. Yan yung overlapping region. Okay, the next, we have this disjoint set. Set A and set B are disjoint. Then, they are represented by two non-intersecting lines. Intersecting circle rather. Okay, so, kapag non-intersecting circle, ibig sabihin, magkahiwalay yung ating set. Wala silang common element. Ito yung ating set A. Then, we also have another set. Set B. So, ito yung ating set A. Then, ito yung ating set B. Yan. Then, we have the universal set again. Okay, so kung mapapansin ninyo, magkahiwalay yung dalawang set. Wala silang common element. So, yan yung, ang tawag natin dyan ay disjoint set. So, yan. Disjoint set ang tawag natin dyan. Set A and set B are disjoint. Okay, so ito, subset. Yung set A ay subset ng set B. Ito naman, hindi na siya subset. Yun nga lang ay meron pa rin silang common element. Ngayon, kung wala silang common element, ang tawag doon ay disjoint set. Okay na? So, proceed na tayo. Next, let us have this one, this activity. Classifying things. Can you still remember your lessons in science about matter? Read the word inside the box. Ito yun. Read the word inside the box. Classify which word is solid or solid and liquid. Then answer the given question. Write your answer in a sheet of paper instead of notebook. In the table form like this one. Okay, so gagawin niyo to sa papel. Katulad nito. Yan. Identify ninyo siya kung siya man ay solid o di kaya siya man ay liquid. What is the common characteristic of solid and liquid? Ano yung common characteristic nitong solid at saka ni liquid? What is or are the difference of solid and liquid in terms of their characteristic? Ito naman pagkakaiba ng dalawa in terms of their characteristic. Ayan. Next. Tayo dito. Representing set on a Venn diagram. So, define muna natin yung set. Na-define na natin to sa first lesson, pero babalikan lang natin. Ibig sabihin ng set, this is a well-defined collection of object. This object is what we call the element. These are the member of the set. All elements of a set follows a certain rule or shares a common property amongst them. Okay, so to understand how sets are denoted, consider the set of vowels in the English alphabet. Let this set be represented by the letter V. Okay, so take note, capital letter pagka nag-name kayo ng set. This set contains the 5 elements. We have A, E, I, O, and U. This can be written as using this roster method. Kung mapapansin ninyo yung name ng set, then we have the symbol for set. Ito yung brace natin. Enclose niya yung mga element, yung object. These objects are separated by commas. Okay, so a two-circle Venn diagram is a visual way to show the relationship amongst two sets. Using this two-circle. So ito yung ating universal set. Ito yung itsura ng ating Venn diagram. Ilang beses na ako nag-illustrate sa inyo nito. Okay, then we have this two set. Ito yung set A. Then we have set B. Ito yung nandito sa overlapping region. These are the element in common or elements in set A and set B. Yung makikitang element sa set A na meron din sa set B. Okay, so ito naman yung element na nandun lang sa set A at wala sa set B. Dito naman, ito yung mga element na nandun sa set B at wala sa set A. So yan. Okay, so let us have this example. Let A be the factors of 6 and B be the factors of 8. So ginamit ko na lang yung example sa module ninyo. Didiscuss ko lang kung ano tong factor na to. Pagka sinabi nating factor class. Factors ng 6 at saka factors ng 8. Siguro naman sa elementary class ninyo, pinag-aralan ninyo yung greatest common factors. But this time, we're going to consider the factors regardless kung yun ay greatest common factor or what. So, identify natin yung mga factors ni 6. Okay, so ano-ano yung number na pag pinag-multiply ninyo, you will obtain this 6. So, enumerate natin. So, we have 6 factors ng 6. Six that will be equal to 6 times 1, di ba? 6 multiplied by 1. Then we also have, we can express the 6 as a product of 2 multiplied by 3. So yan. So 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 3, that is also equal to 6. Yan. So, itong mga to, yan, 6. Sin ko lang yung pagkabilog ko. Yan. Itong mga to, ang tawag dyan ay factors. Yan. Yan yung mga factors ni 6. Okay, then next, we also have the factors of 8. Ano naman ang mga factors ni 8? So, we can have 8 will be equal to 8 multiplied by 1. And we also have 8 that is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. Anyway, the order or the arrangement of the factors will not affect the result. Kapag ka pinagpalit ninyo yung pwesto ng mga factors. 2 times 4 is the same as 2 times 4 is the same as 4 times 2. Diba? Hindi magbabago yung sagot. Ang tawag natin doon ay commutative property. Later on, pag-aaralan natin yung mga property na yon. For the meantime, focus muna tayo sa mga factors. Okay, so yan yung ating factors. Factors ni 8. Okay, 8 and 1, 2 and 4. So, we can now represent that one in set. Let us have set A, the factors of 6. We can have 1, 6, 2, then we have 3. Ayan. Okay, so siguro nagtatanong kayo, bakit hindi in sequence yung arrangement ng element? So, sa set naman, hindi naman mahalaga yung arrangement o yung pagkasunod-sunod ng object. For as long as nandun siya sa loob ng set. Ha? Okay, so identical yan, equal yan sa set kung saan yung arrangement niya ay 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Parehas pa rin dito. Ha? Okay, so then we also have set B. Ang set B natin, ito yung mga factors ni 8. So, we have 1, 8, 2, and 4. So, yun yung mga factors ni 8. Then, identify natin ano yung element dito na common. We have 2, and we also have 1. So, we can create a Venn diagram that will show the set of factors of 6 and 8. So, gagamit tayo ng Venn diagram para ma-illustrate yan. So, una, we have the rectangle. Then, using this circle to represent set A, and that is the factors of 6, and another circle that will represent the set B. Okay, so ito yung ating magsisilbing set A. Then ito naman yung ating magre-represent as our set B or yung factors ni 8. So ang common dito yung 1 and 2. Ilalagay ninyo yan sa overlapping region. Dito nyo ilalagay yan. So we have 1 and 2. The next element ni set A na wala sa set B. Dito natin ilalagay. So, we have 6 and 3. Okay, then we have the element in set B that is not in set A. Ito yung 8 and 4. Dito natin siya ilalagay. So, we have 8 and 4. Okay, so ganyan lang class mag-illustrate gamit yung Venn diagram. May tanong na? So, yun lang naman pagka-factors, sinabing factors. Okay, so next proceed na tayo. Let us have what's more? Okay, so let's compare the things. Study the word in the box. Identify the animals, things that fly, and both. Write your answer in a Venn diagram. Okay, so ito yung mga animals natin or things that fly or both. Yan. Gagamit kayo ng Venn diagram ito. Yan. Pero pakiayos lang dun sa inyong mga sagot. Gawa na lang tayo ng panibago. Okay, so gawa kayo ng universal set. Ayan. Then we have 2 set. Gagawin nyo dito. So dito, yung ilalagay nyo dito yung mga animals na hindi lumilipad. Yan. Animals lang. Dito naman, lalagay nyo yung bot. It is an animal at the same time, yun ay lumilipad. Then dito, these are things that fly. Dito nyo ilalagay. Ayan. Diyan nyo ilalagay yung things that fly. Ito yung parehas. Things that fly at the same time, yun ay animal. Ito, is just an animal, pero hindi siya lumilipad. Okay, so ganyan ang gagawin sa activity 1. Dito naman sa activity 2, set and subset. Given set A and set B. Answer the following question. List all the elements found in each set. Dun sa set A at saka yung set B. You can write it in words or names of the animal shown. So ito yung ating set A. Pakilagay lang. Ito yung ating set A. Then we have this one as our set B. Yan. Siguro malinaw sa inyong hawak na module kung ano yung mga larawan na to. Yan. Chicken. To sheep. Like a sheep. Then we have horse. Goat. Then we have snakes. Ano to? Parang hindi ko. Check ko. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Para siyang bear. Ito bear. Ito naman ay fish. Snakes. Ito ay cat. Parang cat. Para siyang cat. Yan. So, ano nangyari sa ating presentation? Yan. So, yun. If set A is a subset of set B, draw a Venn diagram representing this situation. You can use a separate sheet of paper. Pero talagang sa papel ninyo isusulat yung sagot. So, yan na. Parang cat to. Kasi makita. Masyadong maliit. Refer to the Venn diagram below. What are the elements in the diagram that are common to the given set? Ano yung common dito ito yung set P natin, ito yung set Q. Ano yung common dito sa dalawang set na to? Ano yung element na common? Number 4, what is the relationship between set P and set Q? Okay, so in-illustrate ko na to sa inyo kanina, yung tatlong to, yan, tatlong klase ng Venn diagram, illustrate ko. Kung subset, kung may overlap, some common element, yan, hindi kaya disjoint set. Doon lang yun sa tatlong yun. Is set P a subset of Q? Why? Why no? Okay, so ayan. Balikan ninyo yung definition ng subset. Kung subset siya, bakit? Pero kung hindi siya subset, ano yung hindi niya na-satisfy na condition para masabing yan ay subset? Okay, next. What I have learned. So, fill in the blanks to. Sagutan lang ninyo. Blank is the overlapping circle. Ito yung lesson natin. Venn diagram is used to show blank between difference of set finite and finite number of elements. Yan. If every element in set A is also in set B, then set A is blank of set B. Yan. Lang beses ko na yun na banggit kanina. If set A is a subset of set B, then the circle representing set A is drawn sa loob ba o sa labas ng circle na nagre-represent ng set B. Take note, subset. If set A and set B are blank, then they are represented by two non-intersecting line. Parang ito nababasa ninyo sa baba ata ng ating video presentation. Okay, next. Draw a Venn diagram to show the relationship between the following pairs of group. Use a separate sheet of paper. So, sa papel kayo sumagot. Okay, so, gagawa kayo ng Venn diagram. I-represent natin yung set E at saka yung set F. Kung may common element, dapat yung dalawang circle ay nag-overlap. Kung lahat ng element meron yung isang set ay nandun sa kabilang set, then dapat siya ay nandun sa loob ng malaking circle. Yung pangalan ng set na mas marami yung element. Then dito naman, ganun din. Set B and set W, another Venn diagram yan ang gagawin. Insert din niyo yung mga element dun sa circle. Kung disjoint, dapat magkahiwalay. Kung wala silang common element. Kung meron silang common element pero hindi naman lahat, then overlapping lang yung ating circle. Pero hindi lahat ay nag-overlap. Portion lang. Kung ano lang yung common element, yun lang yung makikita dun sa intersection. Okay, so evaluation. Okay, so siguro malinaw naman sa inyo yung illustration natin dito sa Venn diagram na to. Ang makikita dito sa intersection or yung common element ni set A at saka set B, ito yung mga sumusunod. 3, 7, 5, 11. Set A lang, we have 1 and 9. Set B only, we have 2. Yan. Then last, draw a Venn diagram to show the relationship between the following pairs of group of a set. Okay, set A, set of odd numbers less than 20. Okay, pagka less than 20, lahat ng odd numbers, inintroduce ko na yung odd numbers, counting numbers, and even numbers sa unang video, pero illustrate ko rin sa inyo ngayon. Pagka sinabing odd numbers, ito yung mga 1, 3, 5, 7, those are odd numbers, 9. Less than 20, so ibig sabihin, mas mababa sa 20 yung odd numbers. Then we have set B, set of counting numbers. Pagka sinabing counting numbers, these are natural numbers. Start tayo sa 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to counting number less than 20, that is 19. Yan. Yan yung ating set B. And dito naman sa number 2, ang set X natin, gagawin nyo yun ng Venn diagram ha. Set X, we have set of even numbers. Ito yung mga even numbers natin, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yan. Then we have set of odd numbers. Ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on, so forth. Actually, that is infinite. Pero, usually, ang ginagamit natin kapag even numbers, gagamit na lang tayo ng symbol. Kapag odd numbers, set of even numbers. Okay, so yun lang. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel, pwede kayong mag-subscribe. Then, susunod na lesson natin, yun na, problem solving na. So, salamat sa pakikinig, yun lang.